Hello, Amazon shoppers. This is Amy with 911 Studios. And today I just want to give a shout out to some of the coolest products on all of Amazon, some of the best gifts, most unique things out there. And I absolutely love this one. This is the Joel Osteen Inspirational Audio Cube. Okay, so there are a lot of Bluetooth speakers out there on the market, but this one is truly extraordinary and truly unique because it has not only just daily motivational devotionals, sermons, and also affirmations that you can play, especially while you're getting ready for the day, just starting everything off on a really positive foot. There are 52 sermons, so one for each week. There are 365 devotionals, and I believe 31 different affirmations. So you can kind of mix and match those depending on what you need that day. But this cube is more than just those things from Joel Osteen. You can also use it with any Bluetooth compatible thing like you would normally use a speaker. You can use it to listen to your favorite podcast, your favorite music, whatever that may be. It's a high quality speaker as well. It's small, it's really cute, it looks great, in your bathroom, your bedroom, your kitchen. It's just a great way to start your day on a really positive foot. So, if you are really needing some inspiration in your life, a little bit of positivity, I highly suggest this. It is a great price because it's something that you can use like a normal Bluetooth compatible speaker, but you get that added bonus of things that are just going to uplift you and put you in a better mood, put you in a better place for the day. I love listening to it in the morning while I'm making breakfast or getting my coffee ready. You guys, this makes a great gift. If there's someone in your life that that you could use a little, just a little more motivation, a little more positivity, this is a great idea for them. Maybe that person is yourself. So you guys put it in your cart.